The project is supported by the Commonwealth Equality Network based in the UK through the funding from the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office of the UK Government. The project has two components, which are the outreach program to BIMBA members in the other islands, namely Abeyang, North Taro, plus those who are based here in Besio and South Taro. The other component is BIMBA's workshop with families, friends, allies, and members conducted for those living at the PTC and TUC constituencies. The visit to the outer islands had been completed now, and the workshop for BIMBA's FAM, or the families, friends, allies, and members, is currently being done, in which a family member, friend, or member of BIMBA is invited to a one-day workshop. The workshop includes sessions on the introduction of the project, updates on BIMBA's progress, and likewise presentations from guest speakers from the Alcoholic Anonymous Family Retreat, represented by one of the sisters, Mr. Taurakai Eugenio, who is a local expert on family affairs, and Mr. Tapatap Awatap, who is a local expert on the mental health aspects of social affairs. The main purpose of the workshop is to educate families, friends, allies, and members on the lived experiences of Pinapinaini, especially the impacts of social discrimination and stigma because of their diverse sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression. It is intended for families to communicate more with their Pinapinaini children and vice versa, to ensure that Pinapinaini are not discriminated or stigmatized for being who they are. BIMBA is truly grateful for the support from families, friends, and allies who attended the workshop, and we hope the workshop is the beginning of an ongoing dialogue between BIMBA and its FAM coalition. On behalf of BIMBA, and as an advisor and founder of BIMBA, I would like to convey my most sincere appreciation to the Commonwealth Equality Network and the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office in the UK for their ongoing assistance and financial support in ensuring that BIMBA members are more understood for their diverse sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, and more importantly, be included as important part of our local communities here in Kiribati.